Most sales companies have a big drinking culture. Highs, lows, wins, losses, everything ends with a drink. Celebrate a big month, let's have a drink. Had a rough day, let's go for a drink after work. It's built into the job. I've been in sales a long time and I adopted that culture fully. And I'll be honest, I absolutely loved it. Unbelievable nights, great memories, fantastic stories. But that is not what this video is about. This is about how drinking creeps up on you as you get older and how it holds you back without even realizing. Here's a pattern every salesperson knows. You go out twice a week, once, twice a week, either it's a Thursday, Friday, Saturday, whenever it is, then you randomly take 3 or 4 weeks off and suddenly you feel incredible. You're saying things like, I'm having an absolute blinding week. I'm flying this month. I'm proper locked in at the minute. Salespeople do this all the time. I need a strong month this month, so I'm not drinking. I've got a holiday coming up. I've got bills to pay. I've got targets to hit. So they know stopping drinking actually helps. Subconsciously, they already know it. They know it. Everyone just knows it. And the moment they do, they absolutely smash the month. They absolutely smash it. And then once they've smashed it, the next month they go right back into the drinking culture. It's absolutely mad when you think about it. You know drinking destroys your performance, so you stop drinking to perform better. You perform better, and then you go straight back to the thing that held you back. That was me for 20 years. In my 20s and early 30s, I didn't take breaks at all. I worked hard, I played hard, no gaps, I grinded, and I absolutely loved it. Mid to late 30s, I had little stints, 2 months here, 3 months there. Every single time I felt on fire. I'd smash it, perform, make money, feel sharp, and then I'd slide straight back into the habit with barely any persuasion. You didn't really have to twist my arm, let me tell you. But looking back, drinking held me back more than I ever knew. If you took, right, let's think about the average salesperson, and you removed alcohol for even 50% of their months, I'm telling you now their numbers would go up. Not just a little, astronomically. I can't show you a study or I haven't got any charts or data. I am telling you because I've lived it. Now, since I've removed drinking completely, the change in me has been huge. I feel better mentally. I'm building with purpose. I wake up with a clear head. I train 3 or 4 times a week. My diet's better. But the biggest shift for me mentally is no more of the extreme highs and lows. No more brain fog. No more anxiety Sundays. Just a steady baseline. Look, I know there's people watching thinking, this guy's talking a load of shit. And that's cool. That's fine. But just try this for me. Take the first week or the first 2 weeks of the month. Try no drinking at all. Just go all in on your targets. Push. Have a strong start. Then the final week of the month, absolutely push again to close as much business as possible. Do that for a few months and see how different you feel. This is just an insight into something I knew subconsciously, but I never acted on because of the culture and the habit. Breaking that pattern has changed my life. And give it a try because it might change yours too.